I'm going to share how much money YouTube has paid me since I reached 1,000 subscribers and monetized my YouTube channel 9 months ago. I'm going to share with you how I did it, which videos paid me the most, and which videos didn't pay me anything at all, plus all the numbers to back it up. Before I became monetized, I always wondered how much creators were being paid by YouTube. So I'm here sharing my actual results with you after becoming monetized on YouTube and getting paid myself, so that you can get your own YouTube channel monetized. Stick around through the whole video so you don't miss what strategies I use to make the most money and how you can too. Let's get started. For those of you new to my channel, when I first started YouTube, I didn't know how to edit videos, I didn't know how to talk to a camera, and I didn't know what videos to make that people wanted to watch. And with my little knowledge through trial and error, I am now getting YouTube paychecks into my bank account. And you can too. I started to consistently post to YouTube 2 years ago. Soon after, I flew to Asia and started to consistently post videos of my travels overseas. In September 2003, I met a famous Taiwanese YouTuber, Ling Mays. And after working with her on 2 videos, my YouTube channel was monetized. I made reactions to both of those videos on my channel. Go check them out. For those of you who don't know, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The 4,000 watch hours is the trickiest part. And after 1 year of consistently posting and editing my videos, I finally reached my 4,000 watch hours. But I still had one problem. How do I make videos people will click on and continue to watch? Here's a list of my highest performing videos. As you can see, my top video is asking digital nomads what they do for a living, Bali, Indonesia. As a person who wanted to work online and travel wherever he wanted to, I started to notice videos similar to this pop up on my YouTube home feed. It just so happened that I was in Asia and going to Bali the next month. So I decided to make a video for myself. Today, this video sits at 30,000 views and gets 500 views every 2 days. It has an average viewer duration of 6 minutes and 8 seconds, totaling at 34.6% average view duration. This one video, since posted, has made me $123 and 47 cents. This video makes me money every day. This is an example of evergreen content. It so happens that what I was interested in, people from all over the world are also interested in this topic. By giving people the information they want, I get paid every day. The point is, provide people what they want. I saw other digital nomad videos doing well, so I made one myself. Research what people are already watching to give you clues on what you should make your videos about. To be able to discover what worked, first, I had to learn what didn't work. By consistently posting, I learned the skills that made my digital nomad video do so well. I learned to make an intro explaining to my audience the information I was about to share with them. This is the #1 factor on the success of this video. Since I was monetized, YouTube has paid me an average of $30 per month. But before I could achieve this, I posted many videos that did not do so well. I did no research on if these topics that I was creating people would search for. So these videos only got me an average of 2,000 views per video and only paid me about $2 or $3 per video. Avoid this mistake if you want to earn ad revenue quickly. Since I've been monetized, I've published 19 videos, some performing well and some not so well. Today, my YouTube channel in 9 months of monetization has earned me $227.31. Over half the revenue coming from one video. It's better to make one good video than 18 average ones. Click here. By watching this video, you can see the format on how I've accumulated views and ad revenue so that you can do the same thing.